Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to another episode and we are here now in San Juan, Batangas para i-feature sa inyo ang lot property for sale. Maganda yung size ng property kasi para siyang naka-corner lot. Corner lot na halos siya. Tapos yung start ng property mo is dito sa side na to. Yan. Naka-obtuse angle din siya. Hanggang dito yung size ng property. Yan. So, the property is 301 square meter, asking for 25,000 per square. So, since ito yung starting point na yung property, ang pinakang beachfront mo, dito yung way niya sa sides. Ito yung pinakang road niya. Yan. So tara, check natin ang pinakang beachfront. Para sa mga investor, ang ganda-ganda ng mga buhangin dito. White sand. Yan siya. So, kung ikaw ay nature lover at gustong-gusto mo ang mga ganitong ocean, sea view, tapos may white sand, yan. This is the perfect location for you to invest. So, nakita na natin ang pinakang beachfront nitong property. Nakita rin natin ang clubhouse. So, it's just 1 minute away dito from the property. Like 20 meters away. So, napakalapit lang nito sa pinakang beachfront na pwede na kayong mag-enjoy and relax. So, I'm calling out all investor na gustong mag-invest dito sa property. The property is located here in Laia, San Juan, Batangas. And please do like, share, and subscribe for more updates and for more videos like this. So again, this is Myra and I am from CNM Real Estate Marketing. Bye!